Scrub the detergent drawer. Remove the detergent drawer and soak it in hot, soapy water. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away any buildup or residue. Wipe down the drum. After running the cleaning cycle, take a cloth dampened with vinegar or a gentle cleaner and wipe down the inside of the drum. This will help to remove any remaining grime or deposits. Clean the pump filter. Refer to your washing machine's manual to locate the pump filter. This is an often forgotten step that can help prevent clogs. Clean the filter over a sink, as it may have residual water. Leave the door open. After cleaning the washing machine, leave the door open for a few hours to let it dry out completely. This will prevent mold and mildew from forming in the future. Tips for keeping it fresh. Here are a few extra tips to keep your washing machine in top shape. Use the right detergent. Always use the recommended amount of laundry detergent for your machine type. Excess soap can lead to buildup. Avoid fabric softeners. Consider using dryer balls or white vinegar as a natural fabric softener alternative, as traditional softeners can cause residue buildup. Check pockets before washing. Items left in pockets, like tissues or gum, can cause mess and contribute to buildup in your washer. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to keeping your washing machine clean and running like new. Trust me, a little regular maintenance goes a long way in ensuring your laundry comes out fresh and clean every time. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time, happy cleaning, and don't forget to follow us for more amazing tips. Keep those machines shining.